Thanks. Are we putting my bike in the back?
Yeah, we're gonna put your bike in the back.
All right. Where do you want me to back up to?
Oh, it's right there. There it is.
All right.
Leave enough room.
Yeah. All right, we're out here today. Fox shoot. Got some massive jumps. That's what I heard. I haven't been here before, so we'll test it out. We'll see. See if I can clear them on the 450. What is Dreamland? About an hour from my house. I didn't know this place was that close, to be honest. Usually everything's pretty far track-wise, but I'm stoked. Throw some whips. There's a bagel shop at the North Florida College. She stopped in there. It was actually crazy. A lot of girls. I was like, what the hell? All right.
What do you want to do? Leave it down.
Imagine I had the cardio systems for you all day,
Hell no.
but you couldn't talk back, and you just had to listen to me. Think about how fast you'd go, dude.
You know how bad that would be if we had microphones in our helmets at races?
Oh, dude, when you came, if you had microphones,
You know how
yeah.
much cross jumping there would be?
You can talk to each other.
Yeah, like, hey, this guy's on your left.
If I could talk to him during the race, I would literally like come off the track. When he came off the track, I would run and hide because I would be talking shit the whole time and be like, I don't want to hear from him right now. I'll be good. All right, dude, we gotta work. Time to be serious.
Dog. Should have got a car wash.
No. That is clean. I'm a man.
You have no idea how happy this makes me. I love it, dude. How many times have I done that?
How's it going?
It's good. Just doing stuff over and over. Guess this is what we're doing. I should skim that lake.
You know you're staying here till sunset.
Yeah, I know. Yeah, they want to do a sunset shoot. It's gonna be a long day. At least I slept a lot, so we'll have energy.
Yeah.
But we are gonna be here for a long time today. I mean, there's big jumps, so it should be worth staying here all day.
Dude, that one.
That one in the middle is
Yeah.
pretty big.
You hitting that?
Dude. Here,
I have to show him first.
let's go shove you a lip in the side of a jump and maybe you'll hit it.
Probably would.
You think you would hit that thing in the middle, Hudson?
No, I generally think I could. I mean, I feel like I could, but I wouldn't want to. Yeah, I wouldn't go out there and be like, yo, I want to hit that.
They're all tabletops.
Yeah, but casing that, you know how high that thing's gonna send you? Your
Just
face
push
is
through
like
it.
this.
Mm-mm.
It's like this.
It looks like my BMX jump. Worse. They have to prep it with a shovel. We'll see. I'm supposed to get geared up.
I just be like, fuck you, what you need, you can't get nothing from me. You was talking shit, now I'm somebody you would love to be. I'ma do my thing until the day the reaper come for me. You can keep on grilling, I'ma smell bang, smell bang. Call your army, bring your tanks. I'm a big boy with a big boy bank. Self-employed, independent, once you start, don't take no breaks. Work until I get it, I bet it's gonna take a second. But once I start up my engine, I'm gone. Too fast to catch him, I'm landing mixed up with UGK. Maybe try that purple drink, what I'm on is strong. Yours weaker than 7 days. Sweeter than creme brulee, presidential head of state. Dopest motherfucker since before I hit the 7th grade.
Are those whips big off of that thing?
Yeah.
Verde. That's massive. I was low-key kind of scared. I don't think I'd ever be scared to hit a jump, but I looked at that thing and I was like, wow, this thing is gnarly. So, it was sick though.
How were the first couple of hits? Too long, too short?
No, I came up short, yeah.
You were long.
Yes, I was long on that, and then I was long on another one. I'm like, oh, that hurt. I'm gonna hit that jump a couple more times. Get it dialed in. Let me see that. That was nasty. That had to have been nasty.
Plan is the session this thing when the light gets good too.
Okay.
So we'll
Oh,
get
when the sunset's
all
going
sorts
down?
of nasty.
Oh, it goes down in the background.
How is it?
Legitness. It's pretty gnarly, bro. That was so big. Dude, yeah, it is upside down.
Yeah.
Like severely upside down.
But yeah, you can session that thing, and I think they'll pick stuff off. While,
Oh, is someone filming it?
Yeah,
Alright, bet.
because I think they're gonna do like a long, from like the rollers over there all the way over to the scrub. So while they get ready, we can just pick off video of you hitting these two.
Bro, that was so big. You're like falling off the lip. Do it again? Yeah. Alright, let me see that.
Yeah, that was the last one.
Oh. That was nasty.
It's sick. Do you like days like this or what?
Yeah, this is dope. This is fun. It's like hitting jumps like this makes it like fun to ride. I like it.
Is this kind of what you're going for at your house?
Yeah, it'll be close to this if we're cloud. But it'll be you know, I want some big jumps for sure. It's what I grew up doing, so it's just what's fun to me.
That's crazy. Like, this is cool to see, but like, send it as hard as you can for one jump and get the shot. That's when like the sicko stuff comes out. Dude, that's too much.
It is close to drag.
Yeah, thanks.
Oh. It looks like I'm dragging it. I would have drugged.
Microphone moves, your arm shaking.
Oh my god.
Tight, like super tight.
Oh my god.
Go to the next one.
Bruh.
Here. That's fine.
That's what Donnie looked like at his GNCC race.
That's sick.
Did you fall?
In the mud.
No.
That I freaking did a front flip over the bar.
I'm the white Bubba, dude. Quit playing with the boy.
See it again.
What?
Zeph, are we shooting the moto earlier now?
No.
Are we doing this and then?
It kind of scared me.
Step up.
Why would I play when I know the shit? Why would I play when I know the shit stop? Tell the DJ go run that. Tell the DJ go run that. I got so many issues and I bought me some more misses. I'm sitting here by myself, dog. Ain't nobody getting no tissue. Why would I play when I know the shit? Why would I play when I know the shit stop? Tell the DJ go run that. Tell the DJ go run that. I got the jump stone, I got the she got the good shit, that shit really dope. Hit my little line when you ready to move. Hit my little line when you ready to move. Back in that trap. Back in that trap. I'm on the east side, I'm on the north side, south to the west, baby, where's your at? I'm coming clean, going way off the map. Car to a 6-man, turn out my hats. I'm on the jet trying to get dispatched. Call up for it, nigga, set up the match.
Literally straight away.
Yeah, that's tough.
Bring it back down.
Insane.
Hands through the trees.
Yeah, it's so sick.
Yeah, it's dope. Yeah, so, well, I mean, we'll release the video, right? So, by the time you guys are seeing this video, it's a long time from now. Colorado, what's that, like a month away?
Yeah.
But, probably over a month, actually. Yeah, we're out here, gear release. Wait, yeah, signature gear, right? Yep, signature gear release, shooting at Dreamland. This place is wild. This guy's never been here before. It's kind of crazy. I've lived in Tallahassee for about 4 years, and I've never been here. That's wild. But, yeah, just cruise of the day. I'm starting to get tired. Been riding a lot.
Am I driving home?
Yeah, you're gonna drive home for sure.